Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to check Cibil Score online, and that one is absolutely free. So what is the process to check Cibil Score? We will see in this demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open the Google and just type here Cibil Score Bajaj Finance. Enter. I am putting this link in same video description. You just click and come in this platform. Here the Bajaj Finance are providing you how to check your Cibil Score. Here some little bit informations are available here. So the Cibil Score information going to here. So you select as a salary or self-employed. I select as a salary and type here my first name as per PAN card mention and type here my mobile number. So I add here my PAN card number. You added your date of birth as per mention in your PAN card. Net salary of monthly. So I type here 25,000. Here my email address, my residence pin code and city, and then agree, submit. And wait couple of seconds. Look at this here, the website are showing my Cibil Score. Sangram Singh, you have fair Cibil Score. With this score you may get reject of loan, not provided. No one, not any bank are providing you any kind of loan. My Cibil Score like a 671. It's not good or it's not bad, but you can check Cibil Score using this bajajfinance.in platform very easily. You just simply added your information as I explained and then check your Cibil Score absolutely free. And some other informations also available here. You can increase your Cibil Score using some facilities they are providing you as a Bajaj Finance, and then accordingly you increase your Cibil Score and apply to the loan. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.